We're in Canada, and inevitably hockey has to be part of your life in Canada, I suppose. So we have 15 minutes, 5, 10, 15 minutes, and I'm going to show you how I can use my Weber Q and my Traeger smoker to make really good Korean short ribs. Serve them with rice in just 15 minutes. Don't ignore your smoker on weekdays that are busy. Here are the Korean ribs, and they're very thin, so they cook very quickly, and they're just defrosting here while I'm gonna make this. All I'm gonna do is equal parts soy sauce and water. Sesame oil, vinegar, garlic. I would prefer fresh, but I don't have fresh. I don't usually use this. No matter how smart and capable a person can be, if they're not strong, they still can't do things. Okay, it's open now. Some garlic. And some onions. I'm choosing to use these spring onions, and I'm choosing to use you know, a little bit of the green, little bit of the white section of them. In an ideal case, when you're making this for company, you would let that marinate for a while. I always like to add salt, pepper. I put homemade hot sauce in everything. There is no recipe, as you can see. There you go. I put a gob of nice fermenting hot sauce in there. So they can marinate on there for as long as you want, but I don't have time for them to marinate, so I'm going to throw them right into my Weber Q. For those of you who follow me, you know that I went from a Weber Q to a Napoleon, but I'm now back obsessed with my Weber Q, the original one, where it half heats and a half doesn't, and I just absolutely love it. So I'm going to throw them on the Weber Q. Do them on high, then I'm going to finish them by smoking them. All of these procedures would not be written in a recipe. It's just real life in the kitchen under a time crunch. Discarded, and looks like our dog knows it. Is that good, Tosca? Slurp, 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 slurp. Okay, take it. Point there, cooked through, but just barely on the oven here. I have been moving them around a little bit, and this is our Weber Q barbecue that acts as an oven. I have washed this bowl so that I can put them back in this bowl, and we're going to finish them off on the smoker. And the good thing about that Traeger smoker is you can put it up to 400, which is going to not only smoke, but it's going to do like a quick bake. It's like a little bit of a broil that you would do in an oven, and I'm going to quickly use the smoker to get all of these, to render the fat and get it nice and crispy. So let's go over to the smoker. Smoker at 400. I'll put this batch in the fridge, and it can be a second supper, another smoker. They're not in there for long, so I'm also going to press extra smoke, because 400 acts like an oven, not really a smoker. This is not the most perfect thing to serve our Korean ribs with. I'd rather a white rice and then an iceberg lettuce salad that's kind of onion forward. However, it doesn't matter. It's a Friday night, gotta go off to hockey, use what we have. This is just a Uncle Ben's rice packet that I use for camping, and they're just the thing to feed a family and get some carbs in there. Most of this meal is going to be the meat, but just grab whichever, grab as many colors as you can from your fridge, and that's how you make a side dish. Some people just barbecue and don't know how to, make a side dish for it. So you open your fridge, you find as many colors as you can, and you stick them on the plate, go for half vegetables. We're gonna ring the dinner bell. Quick and easy Korean barbecue short ribs on a weeknight. Don't be scared to use your smoker on a weeknight. Just let your barbecue do a little bit of the heavy lifting. And that's a dinner bell. Thanks for joining me. Enjoy your cooking.